Using CRM forms to capture qualified leads can dramatically boost your business by helping you focus on the right prospects. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to make CRM forms work for you and capture those leads that are truly worth your time. Stick around because at the end, I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using today, available only to my viewers. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a CRM form? It's a tool built into your CRM software to gather lead information. Instead of relying on generic forms, CRM forms allow you to customize fields to capture the most relevant details about your leads, such as their name, email, company size, and even their specific interests. This helps you qualify leads faster and prioritize who to reach out to first. Now, let's talk about how you can optimize these forms to capture qualified leads. The first step is segmentation. When setting up your CRM forms, think about what kind of leads you want to target. For example, if you're in the real estate industry, you might want to add fields to qualify leads based on their budget or location. This way, you can quickly determine which leads are ready to make a purchase and which ones need nurturing. Another key feature to use is conditional logic. With conditional logic, you can set up your CRM forms so that only relevant questions appear based on the answers your leads provide. For example, if someone indicates that they're interested in a particular product or service, the form can dynamically ask more specific questions about that interest. This keeps the form clean and only shows the information that matters to you. Don't forget to integrate your forms with other tools you're using. For example, sync your CRM forms with your email marketing software so that when someone submits a form, they are automatically added to your email list. This ensures your lead nurturing process starts right away without you having to manually input any data. It saves time and helps you stay on top of your leads. Once your form is ready, you need to put it in front of the right people. Embed your CRM form on your landing pages or even on specific product pages to ensure that the people filling out your form are highly relevant. If you're offering a free consultation or downloadable resource, that's a great time to include a form to capture that lead and start the conversation. As you start collecting leads, make sure to track and analyze the data. Your CRM software likely provides analytics to show how well your forms are performing. Are the leads coming through converting into clients? Which fields are the most filled out? What can you adjust to improve? This data is vital for continuously refining your lead capture process. Key takeaway: using CRM forms to capture qualified leads is a game changer for your business. Customization, segmentation, and integration are the key elements that make your forms work for you. Make sure you're targeting the right prospects, asking the right questions, and automating your follow-ups for the best results. Quick recap: customize your forms to match the kind of leads you want, use conditional logic to keep it relevant, and integrate your forms into your existing tools to automate follow-ups. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the exact software we've used today, you can get an exclusive free trial in the description below just for my viewers. Thanks for watching and good luck capturing those qualified leads.